Self love is a quiet sunrise spilling gold on your skin. It's the art of blooming without even waiting for the rain. It's dancing with your shadows and kissing all your scars. And it's the best way to embrace yourself with kindness and the most positive attitude. So, hi, I am Netal and welcome back to my channel, The Med Hive, where we strive together to become a better person. So, February has officially ended, which was our month of love. So, for celebrating month of love, do you actually need to be someone's Valentine or do you need to be necessarily a couple? Not at all. The best love which can be celebrated everywhere is self-love. So, for practicing self-love, the first and foremost point of all the tips I am going to give you is invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. Invest in things that make you feel happy. Invest in things that make you feel better. And by investing, I don't mean monetizing the things that make you happy, but investing in your time. Do walking, gymming, yoga, dancing, painting, anything and everything that makes you happy end of the day is best in investing yourself. And after you invest in yourself, the second point is celebrating your small wins. See, after you invest in things that you like, it's very obvious that you are going to have small wins in your life. Let's say I had a painting competition today, which was an inter-college competition. It was not a very big deal, but still I managed to receive a prize. Maybe first, second, third, doesn't matter. But end of the day, I made a small victory which was worth celebrating, which made myself happy. So buy a pastry, buy a chocolate, buy anything that you like and just make your mind and heart happy. The third point is, after you invest in yourself, you make small wins. Obviously, there might be a group of people which would not like that, and there might be a group of people which would love that and they celebrate your happiness more than you. So, please invest in these kind of people. Surround yourself with utmost positivity because surroundings matter to you and your mindset. The people around you inspire you, uplift you, and encourage you like nothing else to become a better person in your life. You know, saying politely doesn't mean that you're being rude to them. Saying no doesn't mean you're rude to anybody. Just learn to say no in the situations where you need to, and you'll see your energy suddenly increases. So the fifth point is, after you say to a certain people, they might be offended and put negative energy in your atmosphere, right? So the fifth important point is detox from all sorts of negativity. Might it be people, might it be surroundings, or even social media for a reason. If scrolling something makes you compare yourself to someone else or makes you feel inferior about yourself, gives you an inferiority complex, that is where you should stop. Stop scrolling it and be confident in yourself. Okay, it's not your personality depending on, and it's not your self-worth depending on the likes and comments that you get on the Instagram, and it's not your self-worth comparing yourself to someone else. Everybody in itself is unique and everybody itself has a talent that God has given them. So comparing yourself to any other person or listening to any other person, comparing yourself to them or to any other thing is not acceptable. So stop. Okay, so now after practicing all of these things, let's come to yourself. Okay, your progress. The sixth important point is you should stop being your own worst critic. See, being your critic is a good thing. You understand where you're going wrong. You understand आपसे क्या गलती हो रही है, आप क्या सही कर रहे हो. But being your worst critic is a very bad thing to do, which makes yourself feel very underconfident, right? So try telling your mind, instead of I am very bad at this, try saying, okay, I am in the process of learning new things. I'll learn it very soon. Right now, I not might be perfect, but in future, I'll be perfect. इससे आप दो चीज़ें कर रहे हो. पहला, you're telling your mind to be positive, and दूसरा, you're manifesting for yourself कि आप फ्यूचर में पक्का इस चीज़ को परफेक्ट कर ही लोगे. बट इफ़ यू कंटिन्यूसली गो ऑन सेइंग यार आई एम सो बैड एट दिस, यार मुझसे तो ये हो ही नहीं रहा है, पता है कब से कर रही हूँ, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. See, you're creating a negative space for yourself and your mind gets tired of things that you cannot do very easily, okay? So for releasing that dopamine from your mind, let's just have your mind to be happy and let's just say that I am in the process of learning and very soon I'll be very perfect. The seventh point is practicing self-compassion. You don't have to be perfect, guys. You have to be you. Even on the bad days, you need to be your best part. And obviously, on the good days, you are your best part, right? Grace and embrace yourself even in your bad days, because every small movement of your life counts, correct? So, practice self compassion in the most kind way to yourself, and just be kind to yourself. Just be very nice to yourself, is what I would suggest. Do not go in the race of being perfect, and उस रेस में ना don't lose yourself. Do not lose your roots, because that will make you happy end of the day. Last point, which I don't think might be suitable for everybody, but it works very greatly for me, is the last and eighth point, which is romanticizing your life. Okay, guys, so let me make you understand what this point is about. See, finding happiness in small things is a very difficult thing to do. देखो, जब लेट्स कंसिडर आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर नीट पीजी, एंड अगर मेरा अच्छा AIR आ रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी, एंड विद मी देयर विल बी हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल सेलिब्रेटिंग, राइट? दैट्स नॉट अ थिंग टू आस्क, बट like even for small victories, treat yourself with a cup of coffee, and light a candle in your room just to make the vibe while studying. Just plant, like surround yourself with plants, water your plants, and adore and embrace the nature. So romanticize your life. Just feel कि आप किसी बॉलीवुड मूवी में हो and you're the heroine of your life, correct? Nobody else can take you, nobody else can replace you. And romanticize your life in the best possible way. Always be happy, be confident, cherish yourself, and please be kind to yourself. Talk very positive about yourself to yourself and to others also. Okay, so continue saying I am worthy, I am self-compassionate, I am passionate, and in the end of the day I'll be able to achieve all of it. So that's it for our video of self love. I think काफ़ी ज़्यादा टिप्स हो गई है. इतनी भी चीज़ें फॉलो करके you follow it for 1 month, and I'm sure you will see the positive changes in your mindset, in your body, and in your energy of doing everything. So that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, keep going, keep growing. Bye.